Hi, this is Carole Conlon, and it is now August 2nd, 2021. And this month, what I'm going to do is bring you daily tips on using pendulums and for dowsing. Pendulums have been a very important part of my work doing the LifeWeaving dowsing. And since I've been practicing it for over, what, 30 years, 35 years now, it's just a part of what I do. And I still enjoy it. I'm always happy about how much information it can help. It helps me in my work. I can help others with it as well. So what I'm hoping is that you too will enjoy these tips. And please feel free to respond. So first of all, can a pendulum actually get answers? Are they going to be accurate? And how does pendulum dowsing work? And a lot of questions, I'm sure, but the first part is that the pendulum becomes just an extension of the person. There's what we call an ideomotor response in the body, where the gut, the intuition, what the Chinese call the secondary brain, get the answer, and then it's translated up through the muscles in very tiny little muscle movements. And when that happens, we end up with a signal. And with some practice, the dowser, or the person working the pendulum, can figure out what is a yes, what is a no, and keep it, gets answers from that ideomotor response. And with some practice, there are ways to figure out if it is, your answers are right. Maybe not always, but most of the time they can be right with practice, once you understand what's happening. Your pendulum can be as simple as a nail tied on a string, or it could be something like what I use most of the time. It's a weighted bob, a chain, and a handle, something to hang on to. And with this, the movements, we get our yeses, our nos, and with the LifeWeaving dowsing, I've taken it further into chart work, which I'll talk about later. And so anything goes with the pendulum, and so it's fun to practice. It's kind of a talent that you can create in your life and make it a lot more fun. So I'm going to challenge you, maybe find something with some weight on it, a string, a piece of dental floss, whatever, and a way to hold it. And just play with your pendulum to find out how it can tell you yeses and nos. And tomorrow we'll talk more about that. In the meantime, I hope you're having a really great Iny day. Bye. Have a good one.